So I've been looking for a way to add some additional lighting and a fan to my shed. Now the shed is a work in progress for, things like tools and chicken feed and all that type of stuff. But getting some airflow through here, besides having those small windows, I needed to do something. So right here, I installed one of these. Now this is a light and fan, so you don't have to worry about these big blades possibly hitting one of the racks that may be in here. And it just an all-in-one compact, and I was actually really shocked with how much lighting I got from it. Now the light looked pretty good in here right now, only because I have LED light on just to illuminate everything, but you're going to see the difference. So it comes with this remote, which is really nice. And yes, the way I have it hooked up is kind of shoddy right now. I'm just doing it for the video, but I'm going to wire it the correct way. And actually, I'm going to wire a plug to it and then plug it into an outlet. So let me just go ahead and show you what it looks like. All right, so we're going to go ahead. We're going to click that on. So we see the fan starting to go right there. Again, something like this is really great, even really what it's for in a bedroom. It's compact, it's sleek looking, easy to install, and having the remote makes it really super simple. So that's on setting 1. Let's say that. I'm going to put it up to 6. And there is a lot of air downflow right here. It really feels great. And it's going to help circulate the air. And I'm probably going to move this so it's a little bit further over where my workbench is. But otherwise, I am really loving it. Let me go ahead, put that light back on here. It's going to come on full blast probably. And remember where it was. Pretty cool. I can change the color. Let me show you the different colors we got here. I'm changing that. Let's go back this way. So we got the different levels, something like a natural light or an incandescent type light color. Very cool. We have our 1 hour settings. We have our stop. And then we also have this setting, which is like the night light. See if I turn that off. So it's a night light feature, which is also cool. So it's providing a night light that shoots straight up into the ceiling there and give you just a nice ambient light. And that color that you see right there supposedly helps you either fall asleep or if you wake up to fall back asleep easier. So that's really cool that they're utilizing that. So the fan itself, even though it's on speed 6, it is really nice and quiet and is providing a good amount of air flow coming down. I'm going to put this light back on there. So you have all those different features. So if you're looking to add something like this to your home, workshop, shed, whatever it is, then you may want to check this out. Now, it comes with everything that you need to mount and set it up. The only thing it didn't have was if you want to use it as a direct plug. So like what I'm going to do, I was able to pick up a plug and I'm going to just wire it that way so I can plug it into any outlet because I do have an outlet that's close to this. And something like this is the perfect solution for me and may be the perfect solution for you too.